And good morning there, folks and Gundam fans. This is Mixerwars, bringing you some Gundam Kits news. Now, this is just a new content that I'm trying to add to my channel. But if you're not yet subscribed, so please do subscribe, check some other videos, and leave a like. So, we have here a new Gundam Kit coming out this November due to the Gundam backlog. This is a Gundam Helios. Now, what I see in Gundam Helios is it really looks like a combination of Gundam Freedom and Double X. See? So those are the swords for Gundam X, Double X I mean. And here when you see everything spread out, his wings, this wings is really shouting Gundam Freedom to me, as well as the feet. Then you can see here the fins that has been expanded, a gimmick from Double X, as well as the extended cannons here. Another gimmick from Double X. So here you can see another view of it. It really just looks like a combination of the two Gundam kits. But hey, overall, it looks awesome. Sorry about that being highlighted. Now again, this Gundam Helios is coming out in November. Now it's not just the only kit. It also has some other kits like Gundam Perfect Strike Freedom here, where you see Strike Freedom and Strike being combined. I mean, Perfect Strike and Strike Freedom being combined into a mishmash of some parts. So you can identify some parts here, like coming from Freedom, coming from Strike, then coming from Strike Freedom. As you can see here, the bits or the green bits. Yeah. So it really just looks like someone just get the idea. Okay, since they put out the perfect strike, why the perfect strike freedom? Combining the two. Overall, see here we see the strike freedom's dragoons units, and of course the sword unit, the blaster unit, all modified to look as sleek as the strike freedom. And we also have a third unit or Gundam Kit coming up, which is the Blazing Gundam, which to me shouts the combination of God Gundam, Rising Gundam, and Shining Gundam. Where some parts of the God Gundam being altered or moved, like the arm guards, has been moved to the feet, maybe performing a shining kick. There we go, the back view of it. Now it also has featured several faceplates. One you can see here, one without just a plain mask, and one there with another kind of mask. So this is what I mean by having two faceplates or two faces. See, one it's covered up with a mask, and another one it's not covered up and just plain. Now, the last kit that I'm going to show you is what I'm excited about. Why? What does this scream to you guys? To me, it screams like a customized Gundam Dead Site Hell. So, HGAC Dead Site was just released early this year, but last month or last month, I forgot. I haven't bought that kit yet, but I plan to. But this is coming out in November and is a customized version of Dead Side Hell. So does this mean you get Dead Side Hell before November? Well, we don't know about that, but I really hope so. See, it's just really glorious. Now, if this kit also comes out, heck, I'm buying both this and this XL and put them side by side. Now, this is really awesome. You see, it's just like a recolored of Dead Side Hell from black to white and put it some angelic motif to him or warrior motif, like a paladin motif. But then that would raise the question actually, what will happen to Wu Fei's kit? So again, like I told you, these kits will be coming up in November. That's what they plan. See here. Release date is November. By this June, you can pre-order it, and it's actually part of the Gundam Breaker backlog project. So, anyways, that's just all that I could show you for now. And I do hope you subscribe, leave a like, and enjoy the day. Again, this is Mixerwars. Thank you.